What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as you can see, we have a strong rejection from this anchor, and that's why I always say conditions are important, because I want to see a close above this box so that we can start to look for the next pullback entry, bullish and trend continuation. But looking at the fact we are still above 50 EMA, and looking at the fact we have a gap between EMAs, we are still intact with an uptrend. So as long as we are above 50 EMA, we are intact with an uptrend, and as long as we are above this little anchor below, so we are just ranging, and the price in an accumulation area, which is right here. This is just an accumulation before the price decides to push more likely towards the upside. So for now I'm still bullish because we are above 50 and 20 EMA. That's why I'm expecting a breakout above this area. Now conditions are again very important. Just a break of one solid candle will be aggressive signal as well for the price to push up, and that is also an aggressive entry after the break of this accumulation. Now I will wait for either the break above or with a pullback and bullish engulfer, all the entry condition I've just mentioned and also mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now let's say if you have a dramatic fall below 50 EMA, only then I will start to look for my bearish trades. Otherwise I'm not looking for bearish trades as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA, and as long as we are inside this accumulation and above these highs. So wait for that, wait for the condition. Break above itself will be a very aggressive entry, risky aggressive entry. But if you are looking for the pullback entry, which I personally do as well, with a bullish engulfer after the break of this box with a solid candle, and then I'm going to go long till the level right above, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to mark these anchor levels on all three platforms. Here on Nemex, rejection and accumulation right here, and expect exactly like I've just mentioned, expect some more range in this box, and then possibly a break above. Once we are broken above, we are looking at this level which I've just mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So wait for that. Once we have a condition, break above will be a signal of the price to break above and push higher, or also the pullback entry after we have a break above 50 EMA. So the other condition now I'll be looking at, simply look for buy trades, looking at the fact we are above 50 and 20 EMA. That could be a possible change of trend if the price will break above this box. Or no wonder, exactly like this in accumulation phase, and all the conditions are same, just a pullback entry or break above, and look at the zone above, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. I don't want to repeat this zone again and again. Feel free to check that out. Check my yesterday's video so that you can mark the zones, major and minor zones on your charts as well. Hey, on gold, nicely pushed out. Now if you have attended my live session, if you are my member, we took this entry yesterday, and as you can see, 1.9 to 1 reward to risk ratio for this trade, a good $28 profit and $14 stop loss for this trade. This was also mentioned in my yesterday's YouTube video, but I've adjusted the target in my live session, and as you can see, the targets was 2 ATR, that was more than 2 ATR push up, and also 1.618 retracement. That is what I'm looking at for the long term. 786 retracement can act as a level of support to push the price higher as well. Now aggressive entry played out nicely. We are out. We have taken the profits if you have. If not, make sure to move your stop loss to break even if you are managing this trade to 1.618 retracement. But I personally took this till 2 ATR, which is right here. I'm out of this trade. Now all I'm looking at just a pullback entry. As you can see, the price just made a new high. So with that, I want to see a pullback, good or deep pullback above 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfing candle. Engulfing candle like this, but must be a valid engulfing, must engulf the previous candle with the whole body. Once we have that, we're going to take long trades and keep on taking long. Silver is pushing up as well. That's why looking at the fact silver has a zone above, silver will likely push the gold higher as well. In case you're wondering, that is not a valid pullback entry according to my rules of entry, so I'm not taking it as an entry. If you're a student, you know that is invalid entry. So for now, just a pullback above 50 EMA, could be a deep pullback above 50 EMA at 50 EMA as well, followed by bullish engulfer, and keep on taking long. Still we are in this zone. So once we have a pullback, 180 will be the targets, or 280 you can go the max, exit, wait for the next pullback, and we're going to take long trades till we are in the zone above in red. So only buy trades as long as we are above 50 EMA, as long as we are trending up nicely. Lastly, we have crude oil. Now crude oil did form a nice 382 candle right here. According to that, the ATR has been hit, 1 ATR more than $1. That was more than $1 that was hit after this 382 candle. Now that is a very weak entry. Like I said, bullish engulfer is my strongest entry. but pin bar is a weak entry. I'm still not selling crude oil, still expecting some more push up, possibly till 50 EMA. So once we have a push up to 50 EMA, expect a rejection. And if you have a bearish engulfer at 50 EMA with a strong bearish candle, only then I'm gonna go short. So not selling until the price hit 50 EMA with bearish engulfer, or until the price break below these lows. For now, we can still expect a bounce up. I'm still looking at the double bottom pattern as well if we have a price to fall to this area. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.